Hello everyone and welcome to Home All. Today we are sharing a video on wooden flooring. Wooden flooring offers durability, timeless aesthetic appeal and increased home resale value. It promotes a healthier environment by reducing allergens and is easy to maintain and adds warmth to spaces. Additionally, wood flooring is versatile in design, eco-friendly, and can be refinished to last for decades. Some key benefits includes high quality wood flooring can last over 100 years, withstanding heavy foot traffic and daily wear. Next is unlike carpet, wood floors do not trap dust, mold, or pet dander, promoting a cleaner, healthier living environment. And moreover, installing wooden floors is a significant investment that enhances home marketability and appeals to buyers, often fetching higher resale prices. Another point is it is easy to maintain. Regular sweeping, vacuuming, or mopping keeps wood floors in good condition. Wood suits any decor from modern to rustic and provides a sophisticated look. Another point is wood is a sustainable material that can be recycled, and as a natural material, it contributes to lower carbon footprints. Solid hardwood floors can be sanded and refinished multiple times, removing scratches and stains to restore their original look. That's all about wooden flooring. Keep watching our videos. Thank you so much, friends.